Yes, I am Dr. Rujuta Gaikwad and working in the Mauritius in one well-known Mahatma Gandhi Ayurveda hospital. And since last 7 years I am here, and in India I was practicing Ayurveda yoga 25 years, as well as I was visiting and conducting some workshops in European as well as Asian countries 10 to 12 years. So now I will turn to my topic, which is the traditional health practice and in Mauritius. Traditional health practice started in 1985 in Mauritius. And since our hospital, Mahatma Gandhi Ayurved, is existed and giving service to substance abusers. The THP works in close collaboration with Ministry of Health and Quality of Life in Mauritius. We sent monthly reports to the ministry and keep records according to their suggestion also. This is my hospital building and many are coming and visiting our hospital. So this is one slide which is the Actresa, means Ayurvedic Center for Treatment of Rehabilitation of Substance Abusers. And next to there are two photos in which you see that we are moving, making march for no alcohol, no smoking, no drug. Like these banners, a lot of people are having in their hand, and the first banner is of our Human Service Trust. We make all these movements by many ways. This is the live radio show, and I am directly answering to the uh, questions from public. Lot of people are asking me questions, how you do deal with the substance abuse people, what you do for that, do you home visit? Yeah, many questions they ask, and I give how we free of cost giving the treatment for the patients. This is the public speech. I am visiting social welfare center as well as women empowerment, and this is the public speech regarding the harm caused by the illicit substances, and thus try to reduce the demand of the drugs. I am explaining lifestyle and etc. and the uh, problems creating in the health. This is that I am distributing the brochures in Ganga Talav here in Mauritius. In Mahashivratri, millions of people are visiting. So we make pendol, free food distribution, and I was there to give the information. And this is our brochure. This is the yoga class I am conducting. This is one activity for the people who are abused by the substance. They need some stress management techniques. One March, our Prime Minister was also participated, and one is the Munshiji. He is the director of this unit of substance abuse, and middle one I myself is. In this movement, we are getting help through lot of NGOs and social uh, giving social help organizations also. Now about few words about the Ayurveda and Yoga. Ayurveda is a way of life as well as traditional therapy also. And yoga is a way of life too, but later it recognized as a therapy. Oldest Indian 5,000 years traditionally time tested health science. And the objective of yoga as well as Ayurveda is to maintain the health of healthy and to pacify the elements of deceased. Ayurveda treatment is divided in two parts, and Panchakarma is the unique feature of Ayurveda to detoxify, to purify the body and mind. Here are few original Sanskrit words, terms. Oil massage and fomentation, Snehan Svedan are preparatory practices of Panchakarma, popular in worldwide. We choose 2-3 procedures out of 5 suitable for age, time, place, and season, and make it with monitoring closely. We use medicine in form of powder, infusion, decoction, buttermilk. Each karma has different route through which medicine is injected, absorbed, and toxins are thrown out of the body. For example, Vamana, third one. Vamana. Vamana means emesis. Patient drink decoction and vomit lot. Toxins are collected by oleation, fermentation in the stomach and thrown out through the mouth. Virechan is the toxins thrown out through purgation. Nasya medicine is introduced by nasal way, nose. Basti medicine is introduced by rectum. Large intestine absorb that medicine to detoxify the body. Rakta mokshan is one special, but we are not using here. It is done by the leech, one like earthworm, small insect. And last one is not panchakarma, but it is a stress management technique. Single stream of warm oil over third eye, especially those complaining for the insomnia, restlessness, palpitation in this way. We are using some herbs, Ayurvedic herbs, and some popular herbs I am mentioning here. First are the Sanskrit name and next is the Latin name. Brahmi, Ashwagandha, Guduchi, Jatamasi, Shankhapushpi, Bhrungaraj. Just I will talk about it. Brahmi is for insomnia, Ashwagandha is for stress, Guduchi is for immunity, Jatamausi, Shankhapushpi the same way acts on the brain and the pattern of thinking, as well as Bhrungaraj is also cooling, all those herbs and their preparations, which are traditional one. For example, the names Saraswatarishta, Arogyavardhini Vati for liver, Manasyadikvatha to have the peace of mind. We use such a traditional described medicines and preparations. Ghee is the best Ayurvedic medicine which is used as a vehicle also. When we give powder, when we give some other medicine, we ask to mix the ghee in it. Ghee pacify Tridosha. A good catalyst carries medicine qualities, properties of herb into the body. Brings clarity of mind, good for memory, intelligence, and wisdom. Sustain healthy microbes in the gut. You know the word sattvic, which is again popular word. Ghee is a sattvic one. Increases good qualities of mind, brings positivity in the personality itself, purifies mind and intellects. Arts want to use in diet, in the cooking, medicines, of course in the panchakarma. Now I will turn to the uh, panchakosha or yoga techniques. Yoga describes our existence according to this concept. This concept is that Annamaya Kosha, we existed grossly by this Annamaya Kosha. Anna means food sheath. Next, we have some energy which is moving and doing some activities, that is Pranamaya Kosha. We have mind and as well as the emotions. Emotion and intellect is the two gifts given by God to us, and with it we are interacting, and those are the special features of human being. Otherwise, we are like the animal. And next is the Anandamaya Kosha, means our nature, blissful nature. So we ask patients to do asana to servicing maintenance of Annamaya Kosha, pranayam for Manomaya Kosha, some bhakti yoga, spiritual things for Manomaya Kosha, some philosophical things, satsangas for Vijnanamaya Kosha as well as Manomaya Kosha to balance their emotions, to balance their mind. And meditation. Meditation, it includes concentration, contemplation, the same way, japa, many techniques we are using for meditation, but the ideal meditation in recovery phase. Yoga Nidra is also the one of the technique which is very popular. It relaxes the physical body as well as the mental, emotional body. So by Yoga Nidra we use to strengthen the resolve, which is very essential for substance abuse people not to relapse their condition. And few yoga kriyas also. In this way, we treat our patients by giving talks as well as by giving some march, giving some brochures, and of course we give home visit, we ask to come, we counsel them. Counseling is the important part of the treatment in which we give motivation, we give the determination to get rid of the drug, we support them, always we assure them that we are with you, even though there is relapse. It happens. We help them. We give the parental role as well as friendly role. We plan how to do it. We advise them by medicine, by lot of ways. We try to open them and we try to help them. So thank you. And in this way, with the help of government, with our information and with our dedication, with my institute, with my directors, I am trying to help such a substance abused people. Thank you.